Hi, good afternoon. So today I'm Dr. Purun and I'm going to tell you something about egg freezing process. So nowadays, because marrying late because of your career options, it is a good choice to freeze your eggs for a woman, because usually after 35, 36, your eggs are not in a good quality in a layman term. It's not that you cannot conceive after 35 or 40. It is that it's just the matter of many genetic diseases are more prone in eggs which are older than in women older than 35. So you have to rule out many diseases during preconceptional testing and during 20 weeks of your pregnancy. And also, it's a safer way to save your eggs for the future. Whenever you get married, at least you have a surety that you can have a baby whenever you want. You can go through surrogacy if you're not menstruating. So it is like for a long period of time, it is like a saving account. So you're saving your eggs for the future. Like if you turn into menopausal when your periods, even they don't come on time or something happening, your hormonal, you have started with an hormonal issue after an age, so still you can have your own babies by surrogacy an option. And then suddenly when somebody asks me, it's they are very scared about an egg freezing this thing. So egg freezing is not that dangerous, it is not painful. Every injection is a hormonal injection and there is some sort of an emotional imbalance, so it is not that every time you have to face something which is a very dry state, and you have to, it's not that you are always in a bad mood. But yes, it can happen that sometimes such issues of emotional breakdown, loneliness can be happening when you are taking in hormonal injections. Then, secondly, they say some people ask me, is it retrieving an egg from your body? Is it a painful process or not? No, it is all done under general anesthesia. When they give you, they fully anesthesia, they fully make you sleep, and it is just a 20 to 25 minutes process. But post anesthesia, you have to have a recovery of a day, because after anesthesia you become dizzy, so you can feel little nausea, vomiting after your procedure has been done. Usually they retrieve 3 to 4 eggs. Usually depends on your antral follicular count, how much is your eggs are in a good quality produced in that particular cycle. Sometimes your egg retrieval is postponed to the next cycle also, because in that particular cycle where you have taken an hormonal injections, that particular cycle the eggs may not be fully matured, for fully matured for an egg to be freeze and to be stored for the future purpose. So before an egg retrieval, your doctor usually asks for an antifollicular count, your anti-Mullerian hormone testing serum AMH, plus an ultrasound, and your serum FSH levels. So these are all the hormonal profiles one should get it done, and start with an hormonal injections. And then your egg retrieval timing is according to your follicular maturation. It is decided by the gynecologist, and you just have to come almost a day prior for admission, so that you can take a proper amount of hormonal injection. And then there is this under G8, under general anesthesia, the whole procedure is done very safely. Plus egg freezing is not something that it is your breakup plan, or you don't it is not that you will not find a partner in future. It is your makeup plan, it is your backup plan. Instead of a breakup plan, I can say, I can call it as a backup plan, so that in future you don't have to cry for the for your own babies and for your fertility issues. It is very easy and it is very safer, plus you become very relaxed mentally, and you can focus on your career, and whenever you are actually ready mentally, and when you find a right partner, you can plan accordingly with for the future babies. And last but not the least, I want to say that if you conceive naturally, or if you conceive, if you don't require an IVF procedure for conception, if you have if you are having a spontaneous conception after your marriage, or after you're staying with your partner, when you are planning for a baby, you can even donate your eggs for the person who is in need. So it's a very nice thing which has been our technology has given us, something which humans have for their own benefits. It's a very nice, it's a very uh, rejuvenating procedure done, where one can actually save their genes for the future. So thank you and love you all, and see you for next video. Bye.